Okay, good morning, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. And Uni, too, that unicorn. Hi, everybody. Thank you, KFab, and thank you, that little rodent, Nibbles, or whatever. I'm Uni. Hi. Okay, thank you, Uni. Anyway, this is a special Wednesday, early in the morning, because I got to get the light. Um, whatchamacallit, shout out to Will of Just in Time Prepping. Yay! And today's Saturday, and it's supposed to be 8 a.m. Mountain Time. I wrote 9 because, whoops. Okay. Now I did get the magic tablet out, and there's Will. You can see that, folks? I hope so. Uncle Alan's not that technically gifted. Like Canadian Prepper, who always preaches out weird ass stuff. Okay, there's Will, if you can see him. Please join us and check it out. Say hello. We or call ourselves the Monkey Wrench Crew. I'm not getting any promotional or money or cash or even a T-shirt. I take extra large, Will. Okay. Now, Uncle Alan's been working hard, so it's going to take a little bit getting on. I want to say hello to Kyle real quick. And sometimes these things never work when you try to. 1 second. Hi, Kyle. Go check out his channel. It's Kyle Anderson. Okay, put that down and hit Just in Time Prepping's homepage. Now let's see what came up. Okay, that's Just in Time's homepage. Hope you can see it because I sure can't. Uncle Alan has glaucoma and I still got to take my meds this morning. It's one of the factors that are making me sick. Now, before we do that, don't forget Just in Time Prepping, 8 o'clock Wednesday morning, Mountain Time. And I keep telling people you should read this book. It's not a very thick book, but it's a good book. Because a lot of people don't never study. You don't study reenactments or history, anything, which drives Uncle Alan's nuts. Why don't you go back to college, Uncle Alan? Because I'm a real person. I've been to college for 2 years, Uni. And also, Uncle Alan has a lot of knowledge. Unfortunately, I had a lot, 2 strokes that left me partially paralyzed. And also, I have brain damage, a lot of it. I should have been dead. Now, I told you so on the food, all right? You should have a small stockpile of 3 months of canned food. Like vegetables. Now, Wayne just did this morning on food shortage or whatchamacallit, dispute. Okay, we got canned peaches. Might have to eat this pretty soon, but and I replace it with cherry mix. Okay. Now, a lot of people don't understand it. Part of it was berry, hurricane berry, not tropical storm berry. But does anybody listen to Uncle Alan? No, because Uncle Alan don't play anybody's game. I play my own game. Sometimes I don't trust myself. I still have to finish the letter for Cheryl. Cheryl, BOI Fun, go check out her channel. Really good. I still have to mail out that package because Uncle Alan's a little slow. We have Palmetto Prepper. Let's talk about prepping. Prepping Lady. Prepping in Progress. And Manifestation of Imagination, which is Reed's channel. Really good. I like his format. I like the subject he was talking about. You gotta understand, Reed, Uncle Alan's old and a little crazy, but my family's been samurai, third rate, also kind of third rate ninja. We're always farmers, clerical, post office, academics. We know what we're going on. We survived the years of battle. We're a small mountain farming community, and that grew a lot of short, angry people. Okay? First of all, no toilet paper at that time period. And two, everybody in my family were frowning. Even the old paintings, everybody was like that. Okay, so a lot of people kid around. I am not a prepper. I gotta tell this to people. Not a prepper, not one of you new age survivalists, not a bushcrafter, and hell no, I am not a gun guy. All right? Why? Because Uncle Alan doesn't want to, like Reed says, give out too much information. It's bad offset. Now, a lot of you guys think Uncle Alan's crazy, but there's a method to his madness. All right? So, anyway, check out Will Patriot, Modern Refugee, and AKFAB. And then so uh, Cassie So Sassy. I promised to do a little shout out, but okay, 2,500 in the red state, 4,800 in the blue state, and everybody that's supposed to be a prepper is supposed to have this much saved up, but they don't because they don't understand money. Money's 101 in survival, and I forgot to write what note. I'm supposed to write a note up there because Uncle Alan's memory is kind of blah, 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 blah. So right now, everybody main goal for this year is 3 months of food. Or you can try first hand tie, not 7 days. I got to change that to three. 3 days food supply. And we won't do books. And we already talked about canned foods and who's laughing now. Okay. Let's see. Covered canned foods. About 250 canned foods per person. We won't talk about that. That takes too long. And then, oh yeah, Cassie So Sassy was asking me why that amount. How can I stay out of debt and all that? That's a whole separate video and it'd take too long to explain. But first thing is, get a paid me account. I tell everybody, KFAB, Cheryl, everybody will got me hooked onto this and do it right. Another thing is, tell your friends that you're doing this. Two, you have to have a product, either digital, which is a digital product. We're going to explain more on that, or an ebook or something that you could sell as a product. There's no inventory. Everything's taken care of. It's fairly easy. I told people you'd go from ebook to paperback. So you get two sources of income. All right? Uncle Alan's brain is half there, and I'm kind of firing in only one cylinder, but I'm a little bit more smarter than most people because most people are stupid. And I keep telling people 12 gallons for 3 days for 4 people. That'd be great if it's one person. Now, a lot of people keep doing the old pattern fill the bathtub or fill the sink. Well, it has a hole in the sink. Water could drain out and something could come out in the water. Get a water bob, which they make. You don't get any, like, there's a dead rat floating in the bathtub, Uncle Alan. I think he's doing the broad stroke. Back to Cassie So Sassy. Okay, since you got your PayPal me account, okay, you have to have a product, which I just explained. And then also, you have to do your research study. So I tell a lot of basic people starting out trying to recover cash is to get a library card. Now I will go on and explain how you can afford money, How can you do money? Uncle Alan does a lot of side hacks, little jobs, odd jobs, and I'm careful. Now I do for the advanced channel, Kathy so fast, you're not at that point yet. Okay, because a lot of people don't understand what's going on. You're still in the dark and you're still in the closet. First thing I recommend to correct your debit queen problem, okay, is to get a spreadsheet. See how much money you're making to pull in and see how much money you're spending out. And when I go over people, I said you buy a lot of stupid stuff or you have very bad habits, which is true. And if you go look on YouTube, you see a lot of people have bad spending habits or bad users habits. All right. And then they're wondering how come their money inflow is shrinking faster and faster because their debit's growing bigger and bigger. Growing bigger and bigger. Sorry about the blip. I have to be careful. All right. So I'll do a video later explaining all this to people because people don't understand simple financing. They never teach you that in school. This is a high school course. If the school system, the colleges and high school was smart, Uncle Alan will be teaching this. But no, back in the 70s, they don't want to teach people real courses, how to settle problems. They teach people how to complain and look at a weird viewpoint. Okay? Hubble's cat, please check out his channel. Hubble's is a teacher, a trauma nurse, uh, ICU nurse, you name it, he's got the skill in medical field, which I really enjoy. So please check out Hubble's Cat, ELEPL. Okay, remember, Uncle Alan hasn't taken his glaucoma medication. And we got Andrew Hondo in Detroit Prepping. Now, if you have trouble with YouTube, go to Mastodon and get a Gab account. It's really easy. I know Hubble's is looking into it. Also, Steam Arts, he's looking into that. Because I got to think of everybody ahead into the future. I don't like to go into the future because it gives me a bloody headache. All right. But I know the future. And, I've been pushing canned food and dry food for years. And I've been warning people this. But people never listen to Uncle Al. You should, and you should watch my videos. Because always I put a secret message in it. Or I try to tell you in a very simple, pleasant language. But nobody ever listens. Why should we listen? We got Facebook and YouTube and Google and all that wonderful stuff and mainstream media. Where's the marijuana? This is why Uncle Alan's going crazy. Uncle Alan knows tricks. If I wanted to increase my viewership, I would have somebody manning uni. No, you don't. A puppet lady in a bikini with very big cleavage. And I guarantee I'll get 10,000 views. But Uncle Alan's not that. I don't play their game. I'm not a child molester. I don't do stupid things like that. Okay? Uncle Alan knows what he's doing. Right now, two things I'm going to do. Try to get a house and a wife, retire quietly. I'm not playing this game anymore. Two, I'm not stopping at 5 million. I'm going to go all the way $45 million. Now I just got to remember how I used to make money. And if I could do it legally again. Because Uncle Al's brain's kind of okay, so I have to be careful. So stuff I teach here is just on the surface. There's other stuff, there's other channels I do recommend. But Uncle Alan's tired. And I did show you, I think, West Wind. Maybe not. Okay, I did mention West Wind Survival. Go check out his channel. Very good. Because Uncle Alan's brain's not working all the time. And, let's say hi for Prep for It. A Wasteland Prepping in Scotland. Sell the collectibles. Get the cash now. You can't eat them. They're nice to look at, and you might trade them later date, but their value is finicky. Because Uncle Alan used to collect comic books and collectibles until the market dropped and Uncle Alan got stuck with a whole bunch of Smurfs and Fragile Rock characters. That was a disaster. Okay, and let's see. I gotta end this quick because Uncle Alan's tired and I don't know what hell I'm doing right now. But anyway, please check out Will's channel. Catch you later. Bye, kids. Hey, Jenny. Bye, kids. Don't forget to shut off the camera, Uncle Alan. Lord.